Hello and welcome to Economic Times Real Estate Conclave Awards 2025. We are joined by Bhavesh Kothari, founder and CEO of Property First. Bhavesh, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Bhavesh, how has been the real estate market for you? What are the key trends that you're looking at, and how is this impacting the overall property market?
Well, India is growing, and so is real estate. If you see, after 2020, which is COVID year, every property anywhere in India has appreciated more than 60 to 70% in last 3 to 4 years, and that is coming because the growth story in the various equity markets and the growth of Indian economy has been very fast. So real estate is where people invest their money after earning, and real estate we have seen historically with our parents investing in lands, etc., is the only way people have built wealth. And I think the Indian economy is so strong that the economy is going to grow, real estate is going to grow. Whatever you're seeing today is very base of the mountain, and then you will see that as you go up from here 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, all these properties will still double up, triple up, as we've seen historically.
Okay. Bhavesh, how does Property First help the investors and buyers navigate through the complexities of the real estate market? Because it is very tough for us to understand this kind of market. So how do you help regular investors and buyers through these complexities?
Sure. So real estate is a very complicated place, and somebody's hard-earned money. Having a good channel partner, consultant like us is very important, because we see the properties in and out, the location of the properties, the developers' background, the deliveries of the developers in the past, the new upcoming projects of the developer, the financial strength of the developer, the quality of construction of the particular projects, and then we choose particular projects which we think will appreciate. We have been able to give our investors 40 to 50% return on their investments in the past, and that has been possible because we have a mechanism where we choose these properties from a wide range of properties. I've personally been in real estate for 14 to 15 years, know probably everyone in real estate. So it's very easy for us to know, rather than a small individual investor to go know these facts is very difficult. So we advise people to come with us, and or people like us who know the market well, and go with their advice. Yes.
Okay. Property First says that they are offering a average return of 30 to 40% in the real estate market. How do you manage that, and what are the things that you are offering so that this kind of average return you are able to offer?
Sure. So what we do is that when the project launches, we actually go to the developers and we tell the developers that we are going to give you a bulk deal of 50 customers, 100 customers, and we negotiate an amazing payment plan, amazing price with the developer, and then we go back to our investors and give them this benefit. Now when you're investing a 1 crore property at 75 lakh rupees during the pre-launch, and that property appreciates to 1.4 or 1.5 crore, that's approximately 60 to 70 lakh return by the time the property gets ready, which is double the return, right, over the period of 3 years to 4 years. So if you see the IRR value and the amount which you've paid, plus you've taken leverage on that, you are easily making 30 to 40% on that. It's difficult to get these deals out in the market, open market, and not every developer would give that, and not every good developer would give that. So choosing a developer which has a reputation and gives the payment plan, gives good bulk deals, is where we do these bulk deals for investors. We invest in projects up to 200 to 300 crores of money for our investors, and we make sure that we're getting an amazing value in the pre-launch stages. That is number one. A lot of time you get distressed sales out in the market, so we pick up these distressed sales on behalf of our investors and we sell them back. This is where our investors have been easily making 30 to 40% average return. They trust us. They've been trusting us with investment after the investment, and we like to continue this trust for our investors.
Bhavesh, congratulations for the win, and thank you for joining us.